Search engine optimization for beginners. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm speaking about search engine optimization for beginners. Now this is just a general video about search engine optimization to help you to make some changes to your website, or maybe you haven't even created your website yet but you want to know what to keep in mind with regards to search engine optimization. My definition of search engine optimization is basically the art of manipulating or optimizing, as we use in marketing terms, your website so that it can have the best possible opportunity of ranking highly in major search engines like Google and Yahoo for keywords that are important to your website. There are two main ways in which you achieve search engine optimization. One is called on-page SEO and the other is called off-page SEO. On-page SEO essentially is everything that you can do on your actual website itself or to your website itself to help you achieve better search engine rankings, whereas off-page SEO is the things that you do away from your website to help your website achieve better rankings. Now, one really awesome on-page SEO technique is called silo structures. Now, I have a video on creating silo structures and I'll leave that in the description down below, so definitely go and check that out. But essentially, creating a silo structure for your site basically means creating a website where your content is well organized into tabs and into subcategories. The information on your website needs to be categorized and it needs to be really well organized so that the viewers who actually come to your website and visit your website have a positive experience. But not only that, when Google and Yahoo send their bots to your site, they can easily understand what's going on and they can put stuff relevant to where they're supposed to be in their search engine. Another on-page SEO technique is your page structure. The way you structure your different pages with your titles, with subtitles, with your paragraphs. You want to make sure that your content on your website is actually readable and it reads well, but you want to make sure as well that you have your keywords in your title and in your subtitle and also scattered around your content. But also you want to do this in a way that reads naturally to your readers. You don't want to just be keyword stuffing all over the place and your sentences don't make sense and you're just putting keywords in there just to rank in Google. You have to make sure that you write content on your site first for your ideal viewers, like who is your end consumer. That's who you should be writing for, and write for search engines second. If you write for search engines first, then believe it or not, the robots will actually know that you're doing that, and this will actually affect negatively your search engine optimization. In turn, Google want to create a positive experience for people who visit their search engine, and if they're recommending your website needs to be of quality and it needs to benefit that end user. If your website benefits that end user and they're gaining value from your website in some way, shape or form, then Google have no problem with listing and ranking your site on their site. But if your site is manipulative and you're just trying to scheme and get on top, but your website has no value to offer, then this is going to negatively affect your search engine optimization. Which leads me on to my next point, which is domain authority. Google want to look at how authoritative your website, how useful is your website? Is your website being shared on social media? And social media is an off-page SEO technique. And when people share your website on social media, let's say they tweet you or they retweet you or they share your website on Instagram or something like that, then that's known as social sharing, and Google will pick those social sharing signals up, and that is a way of increasing your overall domain authority. And if you get enough shares and enough people liking your posts online and your website on different social media platforms, then that is over time going to build up your social authority and in turn your domain authority as well, and that's going to help the overall authority of your site, which is going to mean that your site is more likely to rank higher in Google for keywords that are relevant and important to your business. So in essence, you want to create a website that is valuable. It depends really what niche you're in, whatever niche you're in and whoever your target customer is. I always say in my videos, you know, the better you know your customer, the easier it is to sell to them. And that is so true. And that's even true as well with regards to search engine optimization. You want to create a website that is valuable to your target customers customers, not just because of the products or the services that you have on offer, but also your content as well. Your website should just in general be really useful and really helpful to people who are to the people who you are serving, to your particular niche. And if you achieve that and Google think that your website is really useful, then as a result you're going to gain domain authority and you're going to get higher search rankings. So this is just a brief explanation of what search engine optimization actually is. I might be doing a part 2 to this video, but I do actually have other videos on search engine optimization, so definitely go and check those videos out. But make sure you also subscribe to this channel and click the notification button down below as well, so you get notified when I put out new videos to help you increase traffic to your website, or to help you to increase search engine optimization traffic, or increase conversions, or whatever it is that you would like to do to your site. Make sure you're subscribed and you click the notification button so you don't miss a video that may help you out along the way. But if you found this video helpful, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.